The Perham Resource Recovery Facility is a waste-to-energy facility located in Perham, Minnesota that processes municipal solid waste and generates steam that is utilized by Bongards Creameries and Tuffy's Pet Foods. Operated by the Prairie Lakes Municipal Solid Waste Authority, the Perham facility processes garbage from 5 counties including Becker, Clay, Ottertail, Todd, and Wadena. The facility receives about 170 tons of garbage each day and processes about 62,000 tons each year. Most of the waste that comes into the Perham facility is processed or sorted in the Materials Recovery Facility, or MRF for short. The idea is to remove items that don't burn well and recycle them if possible. You can see the MRF on the north side of the building. Waste is delivered to the facility and dumped on the tipping floor. A payloader moves waste around and loads it onto a large conveyor where the sorting process starts. The MRF consists of a series of conveyors, sorting platforms, magnets, and other equipment that cleans the waste. Although many of the materials removed from the waste stream are recyclable, this system is not designed to replace a traditional recycling program. The materials removed from this process have a negative effect on air emissions and are abrasive on equipment. Removal of these items improves air quality and extends life of equipment. All incoming waste enters the MRF on the sort line, where 6 sort line operators remove bulky items, corrugated cardboard, metal, and electronics. After the initial sort line, all garbage enters the trommel, a spinning cylinder with different sized holes. Knives inside the trommel open up garbage bags to get all the waste into the open. The first half of the trommel has small holes that allow fine materials such as gravel, glass, and cat litter to fall through. The second half of the trommel has larger holes designed for cans and bottles to fall through. Fines pass over a disc screen to make sure no large pieces of paper end up in the fines container. The large orange box is an eddy current, which works like a reverse magnet to remove aluminum from the waste stream. A sort line operator runs quality control on all metal pulled off from the eddy current. All waste through the MRF will pass under 2 magnets and an eddy current, so there is very little metal in the final waste stream. By the time it gets to this point, the waste stream is made up mostly of paper, plastic, and other burnable items. This conveyor delivers waste back to the tipping floor. Another sort line operator conducts a quality control check on all metal going to the baler. This ensures only ferrous metal will get baled. Ferrous metal, aluminum cans, and cardboard that are all pulled off the line are all baled into uniform blocks. Bales are stacked in the storage area until there is enough to ship to an end market, where each material is recycled into something new. Over 1,500 tons of recyclable material is pulled from the waste stream and shipped each year. When waste leaves the MRF, it has a light and fluffy structure that makes it ideal for burning. Waste re-enters the tipping floor and it falls off the end of the conveyor onto the floor where it is pushed into the pit. Waste can also be redirected onto the tipping floor to be brought elsewhere. Large quantities of the same waste, such as potato byproducts, are often not sent through the MRF, but can be mixed with processed waste to create a more balanced fuel. A large claw that is controlled by 2 joysticks in a control room pick up waste from the pit and raise it to the top of the building. The claw can handle several hundred pounds of waste with each grasp. Notice how stringy the garbage can be with long pieces of plastic. 2 feed chutes at the top of the building allow waste to enter the incineration units. There are 2 burners in the facility, a north unit and a south unit. Each unit has its own boiler, which allows operators to shut one down for maintenance while the other can remain operational. Waste passes through the incinerator where it is burned at around 1800 degrees. Steam is created from the heat and the remaining ash is hauled to a nearby ash landfill. Incinerating waste reduces the volume by about 80%. Extensive scrubbing and cleaning removes pollutants and harmful chemicals from the exhaust leaving the facility. During normal operations, the Perham facility produces about 1 million pounds of steam per day. This steam is utilized by 2 businesses just down the road in Perham, Bongards Creameries and Tuffy's Pet Foods. There is also a steam generation turbine that can produce electricity when needed. The Perham Resource Recovery Facility provides the area a long-term viable solution for waste disposal while assisting 2 neighboring businesses with their steam production needs. The facility also provides 33 full-time jobs for the community.